Movings, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about alerts in our robot framework with the app. Okay, and you can see here, whenever you click this contacts and that contacts, the plus symbol, then you can able to see there is a this particular cancel button or add your account, that Google account. Okay, and here is a cancel button. These are the two things. This is a one kind of alert. Then how you can able to do we have anything from alert handling? We can able to say in our selenium we have for driver we can create, and then we can create for uh, switch to, and then we are going to use for alert, and here we are using for accept or something we dismiss, or we can able to use, right? Or okay button clicking and all we can able to do it, right? This is called alerts we are handling. Alert is by default they are going to use for JavaScript to implement those things to accept or redirecting to the new page or something, right? Do we have really in robot framework with using for Appium? No, we can directly take the path of this. Then how? You can see in the command prompt. I will run this Appium iPhone P4724. First, we need to connect the server, and I'll show you that directly. Okay. And previous old versions, you may see these alerts handling by using for Selenium methods, which is switching alerts and hitting those things, right? A new version of Appiums, they are not using for those things to make alert, to clicking like switching and all, they are removed. You can directly use and click that particular alert. Now I'm going to find for cancel. Now it is provided lengthy thing, and there is no accessibility ID, and there is no something else, right? Resource ID is there, but text is there. You can see the text cancel. We can create for XPath for this, okay? And based upon that, we can able to provide tag name, and we can use for tag name or resource ID. We can able to use the tag name, this one, and resource ID, or we can able to use this. Anything we can able to use it, and we can hit it. Okay, first of all I need to use the S, and I can copy the my tag name. Okay, and then I'm going to specify at the rate text equal to cancel. Okay, and now I'm going to copying this. And before that, we can create our view file tc03 underscore alerts dot robot. Okay, and I'm copying this entire second one, I'm pasting here. Okay, because it is the same, and the documentation simple example using for Appium, and library called, this is document is nothing but just for information what we are going to do for this particular example. Okay, and these are variables, and UI automator Android and level, and because of my Android and all. Okay, and this is my server to connecting my port numbers. Okay, and here we done for the last time we clicked it. Now again we need to click the button or alert. You can able to take this path from here. Okay, X path, this is the one. Okay, click on element, click on element, X path equal to, which is the path we have created, whether it is perfectly created or not, we can see now. Copying. Okay, then I need to cancel this now. Okay, for this robot TC03. Okay, now you can come back here. Sorry. Now it is open and it is clicked. It failed, but it is not click the button. Why? Because we are not seeing the clicking button, right? It is open, but it is not click the button. But test case got passed. Should fail it. Yes. Now you can see cancel button also it is click. Double quotation, that single quotation I might forgot to mention. But now you are able to see, right? We are able to click for cancel as well, right? Like this, we can able to create for XPath as well. The class name text, and maybe you may see the difference in Selenium and Appium. What is the difference? Here, whenever you use the tag name, perfect, there is no issue. And when you are using for text and Selenium, we are using text like this too, and we are going to use like this, right? Any name, cancel, correct? Now, see here, we are not using two braces and here directly at the rate symbol. Okay, this is the different while you're using for text as the export to creating. Okay, like this we can able to take alerts. Alert here there is no alert kind of things. Directly we can able to choose it. Okay, we can choose anything and we can able to create. See, if you are going for this XPath, is a hierarchy level of thinking, right? It is taken very lengthy XPath. It is not a good to take that entire path. Even we can able to take our own XPath. We can create it, right? By taking for class name as a tag name and text is an attribute and text value is basically a value of that particular element. Okay, and even you can text place you can replace resource id and value place you can replace this particular one. It will work out for you. No, like it will not give you any error. It will accept it. Okay, and here you can try for any kind of locator by using the alerts and all in that particular robot framework. It will handle without switching the alerts. Okay, I hope this information helped for you. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.